Can't take it. I wish I get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted, and I'm so forget about it. 'Cause what you did is not that cool.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi. It's 28th of October today, and this vlog is gonna be very interesting because I'm going at my very first individual food tasting today. इससे पहले गई थी, लेकिन मैं अपनी दीदी के साथ में गई थी. So it's a special experience today when I'm going all alone. Not alone, but I have a friend with me, the one who's gonna host this table for us today. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. So I thought, why not film a vlog today? So yeah, here I am. I'm very excited because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा महीनों बाद नए लोगों के साथ में इंटरेक्ट करने वाली हूँ. एंड आई एम kinda shy at first जब मैं नए लोगों से मिलती हूँ, लेकिन एक बार जब हम बात करना शुरू कर देते हैं, then I'm like, okay, I know you. So I'm excited for that. And I thought कि आप सब लोग के साथ में मेरा ये एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँ, how I felt. So I'm going at Bonsibo today. It's an Italian restaurant, and I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but yeah, it's Bonsibo. So अभी मैं ready होती हूँ because I'm already late. It's 5:30, yeah, and I need to go because my friend is gonna pick me up today. So मैं तैयार हूँ और ये मैं हो गई हूँ तैयार. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी रेडी हो जाती हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता है रेडी होने में. मुझे लगा मैं लेट हूँ एक्चुअली, लेकिन मैं फटाफट रेडी हो गई. और अभी तक मेरी फ्रेंड तो आई नहीं है. जब वो आएंगी फिर हम लोग निकलेंगे टेस्टिंग के लिए. देन आई सी यू. एंड नाउ आई एम लीविंग फॉर द टेस्टिंग. ये लिफ्ट भी इतनी जल्दी ऊपर नहीं आ रही है. आजा 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 आजा. सो फाइनली आई एम लीविंग फॉर द टेस्टिंग. हमें बहुत लेट हो गया है. स्टिल आई एम गोना वॉक हाफ वे and then my friend will pick me up. So finally, late Mahashay has arrived. So now we have arrived at the Bonsibo cafe, and I must say the ambience is so beautiful and cute. The first dish that we tried was hummus and garlic bread. The bread was freshly toasted, topped with garlic butter and hummus. Also we tried style capo bread. I loved it. I mean, the pesto paste was so good. It was topped with chili cheese, onion, corn and capsicum. So if you ever visit this cafe, you should try style capo bread. And of course, photo session is mandatory. Thanks to Sanket, the one with foodie, he really clicked some amazing pictures of food and also us. What Bonsibo gifted us a mask. I want to introduce Happy with mask, Diksha, and what? Pratiksha. Oh, sorry, Pratiksha.
Say sorry. Nice.
Sorry. And Sanket. Hi. Who झालं ना मोठे? And Shubham. Say hi. Say hi. It's a video. The ambience is really beautiful, and मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था it's a Italian restaurant, but sorry, it is a Italian cafe. It's very beautiful, and these beautiful people are enjoying like anything and photo shoot. What a beautiful night it is. Such a beautiful video.
बर्थडे भी आने वाला है.
मेरे से पहले तेरा. Also, they have not around pizza, so we tried the Supremo pizza, which was topped with capsicum, mushroom, mozzarella, olives, onions, and hot tomato sauce. I just start dancing when I see a pizza. Also, then we tried some nachos. So it was style capo nachos topped with beans, cheese sauce, sweet corn, jalapenos, and it was served along with sour cream and salsa. I'm not a huge fan of beans, but I really love the flavor of beans in this particular dish. And here Shubham enjoying his basil pesto pasta.
Good job.
Also, they had some amazing varieties of risottos as well, like arrabbiata risotto, alfredo risotto, basil pesto risotto, but I don't like those creamy rice, so we went for the style capo risotto, which was a dry Italian style rice tossed in olive oil, exotic vegetables, garlic, paprika, and herbs. It was really delicious. Just look at the struggle of food bloggers. They really are trying so hard to get a perfect shot.
खूब कमी है, खूब कमी है, खूब कमी है. Let's see अभी इसका देखेंगे. संकेत कितना देगा? Happy, smile please. यानी टेस्ट के लिए. How is it? Is it spicy? No.
मैं बोला था ना अभी नहीं पता चलेगा सुबह पता चलेगा.
We tried several pastas here, but I must say I just fell in love with this arrabbiata sauce pasta.
Anything for which Pratiksha was waiting from so long. Finally. नए लोगों से interact. She's the only new one I met today. So nice meeting to you. Also I met you for the first time today. Hi Shubham. It was amazing meeting you. I'm finally ending up the vlog now, and I guess जरा ठेवली होती रखी थी ना. Finally we got the keys. ये लड़की ने उसको लगा कि इसने क्या किया,
ये की बैग में रख दी और बैग डिक्की में रख दी. ऐसे मुझे लगा था,
लेकिन थैंक गॉड ऐसा नहीं हुआ, वरना हम घर पर नहीं जाते आज. नहीं मुझे कैसा लगा तूने मुझे होस्ट करके आज पहली बार.
अच्छा तो ये लड़की ने मुझे पहले तो बहुत पकाया थोड़ी देर.
लाइटिंग
हाँ लाइट आ रहा है. देन इसने मेरे को चुगली करे, आओ बहन चुगली करे, तो वो इसका पार्ट नहीं थी, तो मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा खास मज़ा आया नहीं. तो बहन जब आप चुगली करना सीख जाओगी तब आओगी, सीख के आना, अच्छा आना. ओके बाय, अभी घर जाना है, अभी हम
गॉसिप
आपको
चुगली वही होता है गर्ल्स का प्राइम डिस्कशन. बैक एट होम एंड इट्स मस्ट टू सैनिटाइज.
फाइनली हम बैक एट होम. बहुत मज़ा आया आज, सबसे मिली, बहुत अच्छा खाना भी खाया. एंड दैट वाज इट फॉर टुडे. Hopefully if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notification, and stay tuned for another vlog. See you tomorrow. I'm very exhausted right now and now I'm back home. Bye bye.